Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I do personal style, fashion, vlogs, lifestyle. Today's video is all about scarf tying, styling scarves. I did this video last year, which I will link here, and this year I just wanted to do it again because I found so many other different ways. But these options are great for summer, great ways to add to your outfit, and also just one scarf can be worn so many different ways. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and also check out my Instagram. Okay, so number one is very simple. Just tie your scarf as a sarong. So you just tie over each other and pull. You've got yourself a skirt, you've got yourself a sarong, looking cute. Got a matching top over here, but it just looks so put together over your bikini, over your swimwear. Love it. Simple sarong. Okay, next for me, again, another kind of cover up for the beach over your bikini is a dress. So I've got the top underneath, tie it around each other, and then tie it around your neck. And you've got yourself a cover up. You can wear your bikini underneath. But another way to tie it, if you didn't want this, you can literally just fold it across like this and then tie it around your neck. Good. Neck. And you're covered. You've got your bikini underneath. You can go to lunch now at the hotel. You're covered up with your sandals, with your slippers. I'm going to move into scarf as a top. So of course this is a very long scarf, so I folded it in half to make like a square. Can't really see, but I folded it in half to make a square. And I'm just going to fold it in the corners to make a triangle, like a piece of paper, right? And then literally just tie it at the back, and we have got ourselves a long scarf top. A lovely long scarf top, and literally one of the simplest scarf tops. Make a triangle, fold it in the back. I've got some linen trousers on. Open the scarf back up, and I'm just going to fold it in half lengthways this time. Okay, so then I'm going to put it behind me, kind of scrunch it up a bit, fold it in front of you, make a knot, pull tightly, and then tie around the neck, and then you just pull to cover. You pull to cover your boobs, which I'll show you the end look here, but yeah, you pull and adjust to cover your boobs. I've tied this way too tight. I think this gives a little bit more support when you have a bigger bust, so like tying it here first and then around the neck kind of holds it really well, because there's actually also another way to tie, which you can literally just cross it over and tie around the neck. With the option of just crossing it over, it still looks really nice, but I just think tying a knot here first gives that little bit more support. But they're both pretty similar in terms of how they look. On the back is just like this, halter neck. Okay, the next one, you're gonna tie it forward. Well, you're gonna put this in your bra. We're gonna pull this through. One this way and pull another one through, and pull the other one through this way, like so. They're both pulled through like so, and then we're just going to tuck the back in. You see? Tuck the back tail into the bra, and then these pieces here, just pull them through again. Like so. I think this would look so nice with a little satin skirt. Cowl neck inspired is the next one. So I've taken the scarf out completely. Just going to tie at the neck. Take the two ends at the bottom. And this is it. Okay, number 8 I folded into a triangle, and I'm just gonna, I've also put on quite a chunky chain, and I'm just gonna tie it onto the chain. Okay, so I made a knot on the triangle and I just put the knot behind. Take out the 2 sides and just tie behind. And we have this. Back looks like this. Next one. This next one I absolutely love, so I've kind of just folded over the scarf like in a triangle, but like kind of not because it's rectangular, and we're just gonna pop it over the shoulders like so, pull through and then just tie it at the back. And then just tuck it into the bra at the front. And we've got ourselves a lovely little top. You can kind of firm this out if you wish, make the sleeves a bit longer. And then I would probably take off my bra just to have just the tie at the back.